Greetings and welcome to the video weather briefing for the week of October 30th, 2013. This briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service in Riverton. Well, as we take a look at the Halloween forecast, it looks like we'll have a weak embedded weather system in northwest flow aloft. These purplish gray lines indicating the upper level wind flow will run parallel to those lines. So again, northwest flow aloft. Looks like the Northwest Mountains and the Bighorn Mountains have the best shot at seeing some scattered afternoon and evening snow showers as the clouds increase from the northwest on Halloween afternoon. Gusty west wind 20 to 30 miles an hour with some higher gusts near 40 miles an hour across Sweetwater County. Slightly lower speeds around Casper, probably 15 to 30 miles an hour, and probably a northwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour around Buffalo. Those look to be the windiest locations on Halloween. Those speeds overall should decrease during the evening hours. Highs should make it up into the 40s on Halloween. Temperatures, of course, falling into the 30s during the evening as we see the sun set. This time of year, those temperatures can drop very quickly. So dress warmly if you're headed outside, but overall it looks to be a mostly dry evening across most areas of western and central Wyoming. As we head towards Friday, that northwest flow aloft prevails. We see the precipitation chances, that's indicated here by these purple and blue colors. Across the Northwest Mountains and the Bighorn Mountains again, northwest flow usually favors those areas for just some scattered light snow showers continuing, not much in the way of accumulation. Otherwise partly cloudy elsewhere. The bigger word for the day will probably be wind. We'll see some gusty west to northwest winds, especially across southwest Wyoming and Sweetwater County, and also in Sublette County. And then Johnson-Natrona County is also getting in on the act. Wouldn't be surprised to see some gusty winds around Grable as well in that northwest flow. High temperatures generally in the 40s for most of the lower elevation locations. Heading into Saturday now, we can see that a new low-pressure system starting to take shape across southwest Canada and the northwest United States. Ahead of that system, we'll see some warmer southwest flow aloft. We can see the orange and red colors indicating the warmer air moving into Wyoming for Saturday. In fact, Saturday looks to be the warmest day of the next 7 days, if not even beyond that. Mostly sunny to partly sunny conditions across the state. Should be dry. Again, the gusty southwest wind, about 15 to 30 miles an hour in the corridor from Rock Springs to Casper, and we'll see temperatures fairly seasonal, 45 to 55 for most locations. Heading into Sunday now, that low pressure system really starts to take up a good chunk of real estate across the northwestern U.S. We'll see this piece of energy as it dives into Idaho really start to spread more clouds and then precipitation into the western Wyoming mountains as we move through the day on Sunday. Overall, a cooler day than what we saw on Saturday, but east of the divide it looks to be still dry. Just again, a lot of cloudiness. Not surprisingly, from Rock Springs to Casper again, a gusty southwest wind. Highs should be mainly in the 40s. Some of the western valleys only making it up into the 30s, where we'll have a heavier cloud cover and some precipitation during the day Sunday. And don't forget to set your clock back 1 hour early Sunday morning. On Monday, now that low-pressure system really entrenches itself across the northern Rockies, the Intermountain West, even down into the Great Basin. Right now, it looks like there could be a surface cold front that moves through central Wyoming sometime on Monday, bringing upslope snow possibilities, the potential for that across those central basins from Fremont and Natrona counties up into Hot Springs County. It will be colder everywhere on Monday, with temperatures only making it up into the lower to mid-30s. So change in the pattern again for Monday. Looks like we might be in the Monday rut again as we head into November. Beyond Monday, Tuesday, for the rest of that week, looks like we'll keep those colder temperatures across the western United States, indicated here by a fairly good chance of below normal temperatures for the week of November 5th. And transitioning into maybe drier conditions, indicated here by this B for below, as that storm system starts to move out eventually as the week goes on and produces precipitation in the midwestern states. So could still be unsettled for a few days, maybe Tuesday and Wednesday. Hopefully Wednesday or Thursday and Friday we should see some drier weather. So again, please call us anytime, 1-800-211-1448. If you're planning to hunt or travel, stay tuned to see what the end of the weekend into the first part of next week has in store. Otherwise, you can visit us online, weather.gov/Riverton, or follow us on Facebook or on Twitter. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.